So let's start with symbol number 1. We will write the code in the third line. It's written in bracket A to M. It means that all the letters from A to M in the above line learn Python from Pythonese will be printed. So we will run it and the output letters are L, E, A, H, F, M, H, E, E, E. Symbol 2 import RE. It will find the special characters or numbers from the given text that is I will turn 14 this year. Print X. The output is 1 4. Symbol 3 import RE. It will complete the word from the text given. The text is learn Python. The letters P and N are given. We will print X. The output will complete the word, that is Python. Symbol 4. Import RE. The text is hello world. If the text starts with hello, it will print yes. And if the text doesn't start with hello, it will print no. So here the text starts with hello. So it printed yes. So we'll change the word hello here. We will write Python and now we'll run it. It shows no. Symbol 5 is same. Text is hello world. If it ends with world, print yes. Else print no. Here the text ends with world, so it printed yes. So we'll change the word here. We'll write people. And now we'll run it. The output is no. Symbol 6. Import RE. The text is Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. And it will check and tell which letter repeats itself like alliteration. The output is B and the number of times it's repeated. Symbol 7 tells the same. Import RE. Text is she sells seashells on the seashore and the output is S. Symbol 8. Import RE. Text is subscribe us on YouTube. In this, we'll check if there are words with same letters like PE. YouTube and subscribe ends with PE. So the output is PE 2 times. Symbol 9. Import RE. Text is all that glitters is not gold. It will check which of the words is in the text, silver or gold. Print X. The output is gold. Symbol 10. Import RE. Text is love for all 1 2 3 4, hatred for none. Split 1 2 3 4 from the text. So print X. The output is love for all and hatred for none. Symbol 11. Import RE. Text is tough times never last but tough people do. It will check if the sentence starts with tough. Print X. Output is yes because the sentence starts with tough. We will try and change the word here with bad and we'll run it again. The output is no. Symbol 12. Import RE. Text is Python word. It will check if the word starts with ORLD. No word starts with ORLD, so the output will be no. Symbol 13. Import RE. Text is Python word. It will check if the word ends with ORLD. The output will be yes because word ends with ORLD. Symbol 14. Import RE. Text is there are 5 students in the meeting. It will check all the numbers from the text. Print X. The output is 5. Symbol 15. Import RE. Text is she has 21 chocolates. It will remove all the numbers from the text. Print X. And the output is the text without the numbers. Symbol 16. Import RE. Text is 1 2 3 4 5 with space 6 7 8 9. It will print the space between the text. Print X and it shows the space. Symbol 16. Import RE. Text is 1 space 2 3 space 4 5 6. It will print the text without spaces. Check the output. Symbol 18. Import RE. Text is P hyphen Y underscore T hyphen H underscore O hyphen N underscore E underscore S hyphen E. It will print the text and numbers and the underscore. Check the output without hyphens. Symbol 19 is opposite. Import RE. Text is P hyphen Y underscore T hyphen H underscore O hyphen N underscore E underscore S hyphen E. It will not print the text and the numbers and underscore. Symbol 20. Import RE. Text is learn Python from Pythonese. It will check whether the sentence ends with Pythonese. The output is yes. Symbol 21. Import RE. Text is time is 5 p.m. It will check the letters from A to Z whether small or capital and will print those letters.
Hi, today I'll just be telling you about three types of irregular expressions. The first one is just to figure out the from line. This means that if it starts from, and this is just plain text, it is not Python code, but if you want, you can do it with Python code with some prerequisites of loops or conditions. So back to the point. What I was saying is that this upscore will just tell us that if a sentence starts from, then it will revert us with the answer. The line here just means the variable that contains the line that we want to find from. Then here, much the same goes true. The upscore just tells us that if it starts from F and ends at M, which may be from or a form, then it will revert us from this variable that contains the line. And the same goes when we use another expression, which may be in this case an at the rate sign, and I'll just add the variable again for your convenience. And now we can see that it just tells us that if the variable's value starts from and it ends at the rate, then we will have to get that answer. Hope that's easy to understand.
Hello friends, I am Daksh. Now I'll continue whatever Hardik has left. So we shall now see that we are continuing with a regular expression, but we shall start with a normal code. In that I'll write non-white space character plus uh, at the rate and non-white space character plus. Plus means we just have to we have there is some more characters inside the line. You have to print that as well. You can see it prints out correctly, but you may see these compare signs inside this. But how can we just remove all these compare signs? It will look a very hectic thing, the code that I'm going to write, but it is very easy to understand. A to Z and again A to Z and 0 to 9. This is not complete. There is much to write now. Non-white space character plus at the rate non-white space character plus again bracket operator and in that A to Z and again A to Z. You shall look according to your file. I have these things in my file that I have downloaded from internet. Now you can see those unnecessary things have been just deleted. Those compare signs and all those columns, etc., have just been deleted with just writing a bigger code. But this is a very easy code to understand. If you can't understand this, this means you haven't learned all those uh, characters that were shown by Muskan. Now we shall continue and we shall see the second last code, and it is caret. Caret is uh, simply that means that anything that starts from caret. Caret means this thing is starting in the starting. I know you are feeling confused. Now I shall write details. This means that this detail is starting in the starting of the line, from the starting of the line. Now I'll write details and I'll this detail and the colon sign is inside my file. Now I'll just use period plus this asterisk. This is a wildcard. You all know what does this means. If you don't, go in the starting right away if you don't know that. Now this is again inside my file, and I'll now use parentheses. Parentheses means I am only interested in that part. Just print out, just extract that part only. Now bracket operator 0 to now 9 dot bracket operator plus. If we don't write plus, it will not print other characters. You can see 39772, but if I just remove this, it will just print 3 but there is no other character. How can we get that? Simply by just adding plus. Now we shall look upon uh, the last code, that is that also contains caret, and from if you even this regular expression are very sensitive. If you even just write this in small letters, it will just show you some kind of phrase back, not exactly a phrase back, but you will not get uh, any other line printed, simply because you haven't write it correctly. You have to write it very precisely. Even a single thing missed, you will have to regret later on. Now, I'm being very careful at that. Uh, you should be able to read all those characters simply because it's the end of the regular expressions, and 0 to 9 and here and here and yes, and last thing is this. We shall print out. You can see these have been printed out. One is from this and four is from this. These are different numbers that have been combined. So now we shall give you a bonus for just seeing till the last. This is a bonus. You can see these. I have added these underscores. Why? Simply because we cannot add commas everywhere wherever we need in Python, because it will just confuse. It will give you tracebacks. These underscores will replace commas in Python. Commas in numbers are used to manage the number, to see it clearly, but you can see we cannot add commas, so we use underscores. I have written underscores here, but I just want to show you how does this work. You can see that underscores are absent in this total. In this total, underscores are fully absent. Now you have to use this f, that is string operation. F is a string operation, so you shall use that carefully. I'm closing it and I'll write total inside that total, my variable. Then I shall use colon and comma. You will see that it will write commas in between 333 gaps like international number system. You can see it's correct that 100 and comma 010 comma 010 comma 000 comma. So this was a bonus. Next time we will also give you again a bonus. Every time you see the last, we will give you a bonus. And you can see we have accepted your request of face scan. So I hope you like this video. Thank you. And like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye. Bye.